Hello everybody, my name is Padma and today I will be discussing BHU PET 2016 MSc Biochemistry question paper. Going to the first question, which of the following has the highest redox potential in the respiratory chain? Option 1, ubiquitin, 2, FAD, 3, NAD+, 4, oxygen. Answer is oxygen. That is option 4. Pyrimidines are also found in which of the following apart from nucleic acids? Option 1, theophylline, 2, NAD+, 3, theobromine, 4, thiamine. Answer is option 4, thiamine. Which of the following, next one, which of the following is not a macromolecule composed of many subunits? Option 1, proteome, 2, proteins, 3, polysaccharides, 4, DNA. Answer is option 1, proteome. Next one, S-adenosyl methionine is required for the synthesis of option 1, bile salts, 2, melanin, 3, epinephrine, 4, serotonin. Answer is option 3, epinephrine. Next one, puromycin inhibits translation by option 1, causing misreading of mRNA, acting as tyrosyl tRNA analog, preventing binding of AATRNA to A site. None of the above. Answer is none of the above. Next one, richest source of linoleic acid is option 1, sunflower oil, 2, soybean oil, 3, safflower oil, 4, corn oil. Answer is sunflower oil. Maximum content of endogenous triacyl glycerols is seen in option 1, kilomicrons, 2, VLDL, 3, LDL, 4, HDL. Answer is option 2, VLDL. Kynurin is formed from option 1, glycine, 2, tryptophan, 3, tyrosine, 4, phenylalanine. Answer is option 2, tryptophan. Enzyme activity is measured in beriberi by option 1, carboxylase, 2, transaminase, 3, deaminase, 4, transketolase. Option 4, transketolase is the answer. Insulin inhibits all of the following enzymes except option 1, glucose 6-phosphate, 2, pyruvate carboxylase, 3, phosphofructokinase, 4, fructose 1,6-biphosphatase. Answer is phosphofructokinase. Next one, Golgi body is involved in option 1, protein synthesis, 2, drug metabolism, 3, protein packaging, 4, protein degradation. Answer is option 3, protein packaging. Next one, which of the following is also known as cane sugar? Option 1, glucose, 2, fructose, 3, maltose, 4, sucrose. Answer is option 4, sucrose. Next one, which of the following sugar is utilized by spermatozoa in seminal fluid? Option 1, glucose, 2, fructose, 3, sucrose, 4, mannose. Answer is option 2, fructose. Next one, rancidity of butter is prevented by the addition of option 1, vitamin A, 2, vitamin D, 3, vitamin E, 4, folic acid. Answer is option 3, vitamin E. Next one, phospholipids are important cellular components because they have both polar and non-polar groups. Option 2, they have glycerol. Option 3, they can form bilayers in water. Option 4, they combine covalently with proteins. Answer is option 1, they have both polar and non-polar groups. Next one, the repeating disaccharide unit in cellulose is option 1, dextrine, 2, dextrose, 3, maltose, 4, cellobiose. Answer is option 4, cellobiose. The triglycerides present in plasma lipoprotein are hydrolyzed by option 1, pancreatic lipase, 2, lipoprotein lipase, 3, lingual lipase, and 4, adipokinetic lipase. Answer is lipoprotein lipase. Next one. Prostaglandin synthesis is increased by activating phospholipases by imidomethacin, option 2, glucocorticoids, 3, aspirin, and 4, angiotensin 2. Answer is option 4, angiotensin 2. The phosphoprotein present in milk is option 1, avidin, 2, casein, 3, ovalbumin, 4, ovoglobulin. Answer is option 2, casein. Glutathione is dipeptide, tripeptide, oligopeptide, polypeptide. Answer is option 2, tripeptide. The protein present in hair is option 1, keratin, 2, elastin, 3, prolamine, 4, gliadin. Answer is option 1, keratin. Next one. Which of the following is not an essential fatty acid? Option 1, oleic acid, 2, linoleic acid, 3, linolenic acid, 4, arachidonic acid. Answer is option 1, oleic acid. Next one. Enoyl CoA isomerase is needed for the complete beta oxidation of option 1, unsaturated fatty acids with trans double bonds, saturated fatty acids, odd chain fatty acids, unsaturated fatty acids with cis double bond. As per me, there are answers which are correct, that is option 1 and option 4. Next one. Which of the following is true for all transposons? They confer resistance to antibiotics. They create a double-stranded break in the donor DNA after moving to a new site. They encode transposases. They have terminal repeat that are homologous to sequences on their target site. Answer is option 4. They have terminal repeats that are homologous to sequences on their target site. Next one. Serpentine receptors are located on the plasma membrane, act in the nucleus, are ion channels, they have single transmembrane domain. Answer is option 4, have single trans. Next one. Maximum damage to DNA is caused by alpha rays, 2, beta rays, 3, UV rays, 4, gamma rays. Answer is alpha rays. Mechanism of action of orlistat is option 1, stimulation of BMR, 2, inhibition of gastric and pancreatic lipase, 3, inhibition of appetite center, 4, inducing satiety. Answer is inhibition of gastric and pancreatic lipase. Next one. Kawaguchi test is used for the detection of option 1, tyrosine, 2, proline, 3, arginine, 4, histidine. Answer is option. Next one. Cutaneous hypersensitivity is not a feature of option 1, variegate porphyria, 2, congenital erythropoietic porphyria, 3, hereditary coporphyria, 4, acute intermittent porphyria. Option 1, variegate porphyria. Fructosamine is formed by non-enzymatic glycosylation of option 1, albumin, 2, hemoglobin, 3, myoglobin, 4, immunoglobulins. Answer is option 1, albumin. Highest percentage of modified bases are present in option 1, mRNA, 2, tRNA, 3, snRNA, 4, rRNA. Answer is option 2, tRNA. Citrate buffer inhibits glycolysis by inhibiting option 1, phosphofructokinase, 2, enolase, 3, pyruvate kinase, 4, phosphoglycerate kinase. Answer is phosphofructokinase, that is option 1. In gene cloning, largest fragments can be incorporated in option 1, bacteriophage, 2, cosmed, 3. Plasmid. 4. Retroviruses. Answer is option 1. Bacteriophage. Next one. Aneuploidy is due to option 1. Insertion. 2. Translocation. 3. Non-disjunction at meiosis. 4. Deletion. Answer is option 3. Non-disjunction at meiosis. Next one. Components of biological membranes include all except option 1. Phospholipids. 2. Triacylglycerols. 3. Cholesterol. 4. Glycolipids. Answer is triacylglycerols. Glycosaminoglycan responsible for maintenance of corneal transparency is option 1. Keratan sulfate. 2. Chondroitin sulfate. 3. Heparin. 4. Hyaluronic acid. Answer is option 1. Keratan sulfate. Next one. Fatty acid accumulated in rough Sumps disease is option 1. Stearic acid. 2. Phytanic acid. 3. Arachidonic acid. 4. Linoleic acid. Answer is option 2. Phytanic acid. Next one. Phospholipids involved in blood clotting is plasmalogen, lecithin, cephalin, none of the above. Answer is option 4. None of the above. Next one. Hyperextensibility of skin and joints is seen in option 1. Pendard syndrome. 2. Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. 3. Osteogenesis imperfecta. And 4. Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Answer is Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Amino acid sequence in a protein is determined by first one, Biuret reagent. Second, Edman's reagent. 3. Selye-Van Hof's reagent. And 4. Bradford's reagent. Answer is Edman's reagent. Next one. Sticky food structures are N-linked glycoproteins, GP1-linked glycoproteins, O-linked glycoproteins, S-linked glycoproteins. Answer is option 2. GP1-linked glycoproteins. Next one. Which of the following is the Golgi marker enzyme? ATP synthase. 2. Hexokinase. Galactosyl transferase. Restriction endonuclease. Answer is galactosyl transferase. All of the following are channels formers except option 1. Adriamycin. 2. Gramicidin. 3. Valinomycin. 4. Amylogenin. Answer is option 1. Adriamycin. The ring structure present in proline is option 1. Cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrene, imidazole, indole, pyrrolidine. Answer is pyrrolidine. Pauli's test is answered by option 1. Cysteine. 2. Histidine. 3. Proline. 4. Aromatic amino acids. Answer is option 2. Histidine. Next one. Secondary structure of proteins is preserved by all of the following except option 1. Covalent bonds. 2. Hydrogen bonds. 3. Ionic bonds. 4. Van der Waals forces. Answer is option 1. Aldehyde test is negative for option 1. Hemoglobin. Option 2. Gelatin. 3. Albumin. 4. Casein. Answer is option 2. Gelatin. Next one. Glutamine synthetase is a option 1. Oxidoreductase. 2. Ligase. 3. Lyase. 4. Hydrolase. Answer is option 2. Ligase. Which of the following enzyme requires calcium for its activity? Option 1. Lysyl oxidase, xanthine oxidase, carbonic anhydrase, and 4. Lipase. Answer is option 4. Lipase. Papain is a carboxyl protease, metalloprotease, cysteine protease, serine protease. Answer is cysteine protease. one. Competitive inhibitor of thymidylate synthase is option 1 6-mercaptopurine, 2 5-fluorouracil, 3 methotrexate, 4 none of the above. Answer is 5-fluorouracil. Next one. Which of the following enzymes is active in its phosphorylated form? Option 1 glycogen synthase, 2 pyruvate kinase, 3 glycogen phosphorylase, 4 HMG CoA reductase. Answer is glycogen phosphorylase. Next one. The heteropolysaccharide in which uronic acid is not present is option 1 keratan sulfate, 2 dermatan sulfate, 3 chondroitin sulfate, 4 heparin. Answer is option 1 keratan sulfate. Next one. Molecular weight of a protein can be determined by using option 1 native page, SDS page, isoelectric focusing, Dancel chloride. Answer is option 2 SDS page. Next one. Which of the following glucose transporters is present in testes? GLUT1, option 2 GLUT5, option 3 GLUT3 and option 4 GLUT7. Answer is GLUT8 and it is not given in the options. Next one. Which of the following enzyme is not required for pyruvate dehydrogenase? Option 1 TPP, 2 NADP, 3 FAD, 4 none of these. Answer is option. Next one. Glycogen storage disease type O occurs due to deficiency of glycogen phosphorylase, phosphofructokinase, glycogen synthase, transglucosidase. Answer is option 3 glycogen synthase. Pentoses in the human body are obtained from option 1 glycolysis, 2 Krebs cycle, 3 HMP shunt and 4 Cahill cycle. Answer is HMP shunt. Next one. Best biomarker for thyroid disorders is FT3, option 2 TSH, 3 FT4, 4 RT3. Answer is option 2 TSH. All of the following parameters are elevated in chronic renal failure except option 1 urea, 2 sodium, 3 potassium, 4 phosphorus. Answer is all of these are option. Next one. Deficiency of pantothenic acid leads to option 1 scurvy, 2 beriberi, 3 burning feet syndrome, 4 rickets. Answer is burning feet syndrome. Gastrictomized patient is likely to suffer from deficiency of option 1 vitamin A, option 2 vitamin C, option 3 vitamin B1 and option 4 vitamin B12. Answer is option 4 vitamin B12. Active form of vitamin D is called calciferol, 2 ergosterol, 3 calcitrol, 4 lanosterol. Answer is calcitrol. Next one. Consumption of raw eggs can cause deficiency of option 1 calcium, 2 lipoic acid, 3 vitamin, 4 biotin. Answer is next one. Overlapping DNA segments are repeatedly cloned in option 1 chromosomal walking, 2 chromosomal jumping, 3 fish, 4 linkage study. Option 1 chromosomal walking. Next one. What percentage of human genome encodes proteins? 1 to 1.5%, 2 10 to 15%, 3 70 to 80% and 4 greater than 90%. Answer is 1 to 1.5%. Tyrosine residues are iodinated at which positions in thyroxine? Answer options 1 and 3, 2, 3 and 5, 3, 5 and 7, 4, 3 and 7. Answer is option 2, 3 and 5. Next one. Anticodon region is found in option 1 tRNA, 2 rRNA, 3 mRNA, 4 snRNA. Answer is option 1 tRNA. Next one. TSH is a option 1 carbohydrate, 2 steroid, 3 glycoprotein, 4 peptide. Answer is option 3 glycoprotein. Reverse transcriptase is also known as option 1 DNA dependent DNA polymerase, 2 RNA dependent DNA polymerase, 3 DNA dependent RNA polymerase, 4 RNA dependent RNA polymerase. Answer is RNA dependent DNA polymerase, that is option 2. Next one. Amanitin inhibits option 1 ATP synthesis, 2 mRNA synthesis, 3 DNA synthesis, 4 glycoprotein synthesis. Answer is option 2 mRNA synthesis. Next one. Nucleic acid shows strongest absorption at wavelength. Option 1 260 nanometers, 2 480 nanometers, 3 360 nanometers, 4 220 nanometers. Answer is option 1 260 nanometers. Next one. Biological half-life of catecholamines is option 1 10 to 30 seconds, 2 1 to 3 days, 3 10 to 30 minutes, and 4 1 to 3 weeks. Option is answer 3 10 to 30 minutes. Next one. Synaptens test is used for the diagnosis of adrenogenital syndrome. Option 1 Addison's diseases. Option 2 pheochromocytoma. Option 3 and 4 Down syndrome. Answer is option 2 Addison's disease. Human insulin gene is located on option 1 chromosome 8, option 2 chromosome 6, option 3 chromosome 21 and option 4 chromosome 11. Answer is chromosome 11, that is option 4. Insulin increases the activity of all of the following enzymes except acetyl-CoA carboxylase, glycogen synthetase, hormone sensitive lipase, and 4 HMG-CoA reductase. Answer is option 3 hormone sensitive lipase. Next one. Metachromatic leukodystrophy is due to deficiency of option 1 ceramidase, 2 sphingomyelinase, 3 aryl sulfatase and 4 hexosaminidase. Answer is option 3 aryl sulfatase. Next one. Which of the following anti-cancer drug is a purine analog? Option 1 mitomycin C, 6 mercaptopurine, 3 vinblastine, 4 cyclophosphamide. Answer is 6 mercaptopurine. Next one. Which of the following is a tumor suppressor gene? Option 1 RB, 2 ERB, 3 RAS, 4 ABL. Answer is option 1 RB, retinoblastoma protein. Now next one. Which of the following purine is present in tea? 1,3,7-trimethylxanthine, 1,3-dimethylxanthine, 3,3,7-dimethylxanthine and 4-methylxanthine. Answer is 1,3,7-trimethylxanthine. Next one. All of the following are the end products of pyrimidine catabolism except option 1 carbon dioxide, 2 beta alanine, 3 ammonia, 4 gamma amino isobutyrate. Answer is option 4 gamma amino isobutyrate. Which of the following statement does not hold true for prokaryotic translation? Option 1 the initiation tRNA carries N-formylated methionine. 2 initiation sequence is Cossack sequence. 3 initiation factors are required. Prokaryotic mRNAs are polycistronic. Answer is option 1 the initiation tRNA carries methionine. Next one. In prokaryotes, the sequence present at promoter site is option 1 Hogness box, 2 GC box, 3 cat box, 4 Pribnow box. Answer is Pribnow box, that is option 4. In hemolytic jaundice, urine bilirubin is option 1 usually present, 2 very high, 3 usually absent, 4 very low. Answer is option 2 very high. Carnitine is synthesized from option 1 threonine, 2 lysine, 3 alanine, 4 taurine. Answer is option 2 lysine. Next one. Synthesis of ApoB48 by the intestinal cells is an example of option 1 mRNA editing, 2 methylation, 3 splicing, 4 hydroxylation. Answer is option 1 mRNA editing. Next one. The most commonly used prokaryotic host cell in genetic engineering is option 1 E. coli, 2 insect cells, 3 aspergillus, 4 H. influenza. Answer is E. coli, option 1. Next one. Cystic fibrosis is due to defect in deletion of one nucleotide, option 2 deletion of 3 nucleotides, 3 insertion of one nucleotide, 4 trinucleotide expansion. Answer 2 deletion of 3 nucleotides. Next one. DNA is a very stable molecule because of option 1 presence of OH group at 2' position. Next one. Absence of OH group at 2' position. 3 presence of OH group at 4' position. 4 absence of OH group at 4' position. Answer 2 absence of OH group 2' position. Next one. The enzyme responsible for mitochondrial DNA synthesis is option 1 alpha polymerase, 2 delta polymerase, 3 beta polymerase, 4 gamma polymerase. Answer is option 4 gamma polymerase. Next one. The most processive DNA polymerase is option 1 DNA polymerase 1, option 2 DNA polymerase 2, option 3 DNA polymerase 3, and 4 DNA gyrase. Answer is option 3 DNA polymerase. Next one. All of the following diseases are associated with defective DNA repair except option 1 ataxia telangiectasia, 2 Werner's syndrome, 3 cystic fibrosis, 4 xeroderma pigmentosum. Answer is option 3 cystic fibrosis. Next one. Multiple codons can decode the same amino acid. This characteristic of genetic code is called option 1 universality, 2 degeneracy, 3 unambiguity, 4 specificity. Answer is option 2 degeneracy. Embryonic hemoglobin is composed of option 1 alpha and beta chains, 2 alpha and gamma chains, 3 alpha and delta chains, and 4 epsilon and zeta chains. Answer is alpha and gamma chains. Digitalis is detoxified by option 1 oxidation, 2 methylation, 3 hydrolysis, and 4 reduction. Answer is 3 hydrolysis. Next one. Most common cause of hypercalcemia is hyperparathyroidism, option 2 malignancy, 3 pheochromocytoma, and 4 use of thiazide diuretics. Answer is option 1 hyperparathyroidism. Next one. Which of the following stimulates the production of progesterone by corpus luteum? Option 1 FSH, 2 estrogen, 3 LH, 4 prolactin. Answer is option 1 FSH. Next one. Symptoms of methyl malonic acidemia are almost identical to option 1 OPC poisoning, 2 ethylene glycol poisoning, 3 methanol poisoning, 4 sulfose poisoning. Answer is ethylene glycol poisoning. Next one. Ratio of amount of nitrogen retained to the nitrogen absorbed is called option 1 biological value, 2 caloric value, 3. Net protein utilization. 4. Protein efficiency ratio. Answer is option 1, biological value. Next one. Glucose tolerance factor contains option 1, molybdenum, 2, magnesium, 3, selenium, 4, chromium. Answer is option 4, chromium. Next one. All of the following decrease iron absorption except option 1, phytates, 2, gastric HCl, 3, ascorbic acid, 4, calcium. Answer is option 3, ascorbic acid. Next one. Slow reacting substance of anaphylaxis contain all of the following leukotrienes except option 1, LTC4, option 2, LTB4, option 3, LTD4 and 4 or LTE4. Answer is option 2, LTB. Next one. The major antibody present in colostrum is option 1, IgM, 2, IgG, 3, IgA and 4, IgE. Answer is option 3, IgA. Next one. Sphingolipids contain all of the following except option 1, phosphate, 2, glycerol, 3, oligosaccharide, 4, sphingosine. Answer is 3, oligosaccharide. Next one. Vitamin E function as an antioxidant due to its association with cell membrane, 2, isoprenoid chain, 3, aromatic ring structure, 4, its hydrophobic nature. Answer is aromatic ring structure. Next one. Glycosidic linkage present in cellulose is option 1, alpha 1 2, 2, beta 1 4, 3, beta 1 2, 4, alpha 1 4. Answer is option 2, beta 1 4. Next one. The level of which of the following hormone falls in the blood after a meal? Option 1, insulin, 2, PYY 3 to 36, 3, ghrelin, 4, lipase. Answer is option 3, ghrelin. Next one. The number of ATP produced during oxidation of stearic acid is option 1, 129, 2, 141, 3, 131, 4, 120. Answer is option 4, 120. Which of the following enzymes is used in ELISA? Option 1, aspartate transaminase, 2, alkaline phosphatase, 3, alanine transaminase, 4, asparginase. Answer is alkaline phosphatase. Next one. All are polyamines except option 1, putrescine, 2, spermine, 3, S-adenosyl methionine, 4, spermidine. Answer is S-adenosyl methionine. Next one. All of the following are substrates of gluconeogenesis except option 1, alanine, 2, acetyl-CoA, 3, propionic acid, 4, glycine. Answer is option 2, acetyl-CoA. Next one. The type of DNA found in guanine and cytosine-rich regions is option 1, bDNA, option 2, aDNA, 3, zDNA and 4, cDNA. Answer is option C, cDNA. Next one. Gene for major histocompatibility complex is located on option 1, short arm of chromosome 6, option 2, long arm of chromosome 6, 3, long arm of chromosome 11, 4, short arm of chromosome 8. Answer is option 1, short arm of chromosome 6. Next one. Fidelity of translation depends on option 1, DNA polymerase, 2, RNA polymerase, 3, amino acids tRNA synthetase, 4, peptidyl transferase. Answer is amino acyl tRNA synthetase. That is option 3. Which of the following enzyme is not regulated by calmodulin? Answer option 1, guanylate cyclase, 2, pyruvate carboxylase, 3, pyruvate kinase, 4, hexokinase. Answer is option 4, hexokinase. Next one. Increased level of which amino acid is associated with high risk of myocardial infarction? Option 1, ornithine, 2. Homocysteine. 3. Cysteine. 4. Methionine. Answer is option 2. Homocysteine. Next one. Cytochrome P450 enzymes are located in option 1. Cell membrane. 2. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. 3. Nucleus. 4. Golgi complex. Answer is option 2. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next one. All of the following are derivatives of isopentenyl pyrophosphate except option 1. Carotenoids. 2. Vitamin E. 3. Dolicol. 4. Vitamin B. Answer is option 3. Dolicol. Next one. AUG. The initiation codon also codes for option 1. Methionine. 2. Phenylalanine. 3. Leucine. 4. Valine. Answer is option 1. Methionine. Next one. DNA glycosylases are involved in option 1. Base excision repair. 2. Nucleotide excision repair. 3. Mismatch repair. 4. Direct repair. Answer is option 1. Base excision repair. Next one. The amino acid that transports ammonia from skeletal muscle to liver is option 1. Glutamate. 2. Valine. 3. Alanine. 4. Lysine. Answer is option 3. Alanine. Next one. Beta pleats and beta bends are examples of option 1. Primary structure. Option 2. Secondary structure. Tertiary structure. Option 3. Secondary structure. And 4. Quaternary structure. Answer is option 3. Secondary structure. Next one. All of the following electron carriers are components of electron transport chain except option 1. FMN. 2. FAD. 3. NAD+. 4. NADP+. Answer is NADP+. Next one. The iron in heme is linked to the globin through option 1. Arginine. 2. Lysine. 3. Histidine. 4. Glycine. Answer is option 3. Histidine. Creatinuria is related with the deficiency of option 1. Vitamin A. 2. Vitamin E. 3. Vitamin K. 4. Thiamine. Answer is option 2. Vitamin E. Sulfa drugs interfere with bacterial synthesis of option 1. Vitamin D. Option 2. Vitamin E. Option 3. Folic acid. 4. Lipoic acid. Answer is option 3. Folic acid. Next one. Selenium poisoning can be treated with the administration of option 1. Benzylamine. 2. Parabromobenzene. 2. Paranitrobenzaldehyde. 4. Dithiopropanol. Answer is option 2. Parabromobenzene. Next one. The two nitrogens in urea are derived from option 1. Ammonia and glutamine. 2. Glutamine and glutamic acid. 3. Glutamine and alanine. And 4. Glutamine and aspartic acid. Answer is option 4. Glutamine and aspartic acid. Beta oxidation of odd chain length of fatty acid produces option 1. Succinyl-CoA. 2. Malonyl-CoA. 3. Propionyl-CoA. And 4. Acetyl-CoA. Answer is option 3. Propionyl-CoA. Next one. Which of the following marks protein for destruction? Option 1. Clathrin. 2. Chaperone. 3. Lamin. And 4. Ubiquitin. Answer is option 4. Ubiquitin. Isoenzyme fraction of LDH elevated in myocardial infarction is option 1. LDH1. 2. LDH2. 3. LDH3. 4. LDH5. Answer is option 1. LDH1. Inhibition of succinate dehydrogenase by malonate is an example of option 1. Competitive inhibition. 2. Non-competitive inhibition. 3. Uncompetitive inhibition. 4. Allosteric inhibition. Answer is option 1. Competitive inhibition. All of the following are essential amino acid except option 1. Leucine. 2. Threonine. 3. Phenylalanine. 4. Tyrosine. Answer is 4. Tyrosine. Amylin is secreted by pancreatic cells type. Option 1 alpha, 2 beta, 3 gamma, 4 pancreatic polypeptide. Answer is 2 beta. Which of the following fatty acid belong to W3 series? Option 1 linoleic acid, option 2 arachidonic acid, option 3 linolenic acid, and 4 oleic acid. Answer is linolenic acid, option 3. Next one, acute hemolytic episodes after administration of antimalarial drugs are seen due to deficiency of option 1 glucose 6 phosphatase, 2 glycogen synthase, 3 glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase, 4 glycogen phosphorylase. Answer is option 4 glycogen phosphorylase. Next one, main apoprotein present in chylomicron is ApoB48, 2 ApoA, 3 ApoB100, and 4 ApoA2. Answer is ApoB48. Next one, all of the following are constituents of renal calculi except option 1 calcium, 2 xanthine, 3 cholesterol, 4 uric acid. Answer is option 3 cholesterol. Carbon atoms that are involved in ossosome formation are option 1 1 and 2, option 2 5 and 6, option 3 1 and 3, option 4 1 and 6. Answer is option 1. Next one, gamma glutamyl transpeptidase levels are most specific for diagnosis of option 1 viral hepatitis, 2 alcoholic liver disease, 3 myocardial infarction, and 4 Wilson's disease. Answer is option 2 alcoholic liver disease. Next one, which of the following hormone does not act at the level of transcription? Option 1 cortisol, 2 calcitonin, 3 calcitrol, 4 aldosterone. Answer is option 2 calcitonin. Transamination of alanine lead to the formation of option 1 pyruvate, 2 phenylpyruvate, 3 oxaloacetate, 4 aspartate. Answer is pyruvate, option 1. Hypolipodermic agents act on option 1 HMG-CoA synthetase, 2 HMG-CoA reductase, 3 HMG-CoA mutase, 4 HMG-CoA hydratase. Answer is option 2 HMG-CoA reductase. Next one, which of the following is a lipotrophic factor? Option 1 insulin, 2 HDL, 3 carnitine, 4 choline. Answer is option 4 choline. Next one, which of the following enzymes fits in the class of hydrolases? Option 1 hexokinase, 2 chymotrypsin, 3 glycogen phosphorylase, 4 triose phosphate isomerase. Answer is option 2 chymotrypsin. Next one, cytochromes are iron porphyrin proteins, 2 riboflavin containing nucleotides, 3 metal containing flavoproteins, 4 pyrimidine nucleotides. Answer is option 1 iron porphyrin. Next one, the accepted hypothesis for DNA replication is option 1 conservative theory, 2 semi-conservative theory, 3 dispersive theory, 4 evolutionary theory. Answer is option 2 semi-conservative theory. What is the main source of natural fluoride? Option 1 mushroom, 2 potatoes, 3 meat, 4 water. Answer is option 4 water. Which of the following amino acid is the major precursor for synthesis of porphyrins in mammals? Option 1 alanine, 2 glycine, 3 glutamate, 4 asparagine. Answer is option 2 glycine. Next one, CA19-9 is a marker of option 1 Hodgkin's disease, 2 pancreatic cancer, 3 prostate cancer, 4 ovarian cancer. Answer is option 2 pancreatic